How's it going, everyone? So we're down in Yarmouth today at a car show. It's already started. Let's have a little wander. Plenty of cars about, loads of makes and models. Anything from £1,000 to £50,000. Let's have a little wander. So the police are about. They've got a big old chimney on top with some cameras. Making sure everyone's behaving. Let's focus. Two of these about in this colour. Same shape as the white one we're doing up. RH7 Lexus. Go to VRS, nice colour. Nice bright orange. Subaru, flip paint colours. Nice old Scirocco or Polo there. Skyline. GTR. Nice GTR. Little Mini. Another GTR. Nissan Laurel. Caddy. Type R Honda. Let's go a bit further down here and see what's happening down here. There's lots of pops and bangs and all sorts of vehicles going around in a circle. Nice little Polo, Golf, Focus, courses, you name it. Even got trucks joining in. There's plenty happening. Good old mix of vehicles and everything everywhere. Seat Leon, MGZR behind that. Little Polos, BMs. Seat Leon. Oh, we know whose that one is, don't we? Lexus. Nice S-Max. Bit of effort's gone into that one. Focus. Fiestas. More Focuses. Lovely purple colour on this one. Yellow one glistening in the sun. Aston Martin. Old Volvo Estate. Golf GTI. BM Estate. 2. Pretty cool C2 there. S13. Police doing the rounds.
Did one yesterday at Bedford.
Things starting to liven up a little bit, and then the old police come out and started showing their faces. Another Focus in the background there. There's a few in the car park over the background. There's loads more coming in every minute or so, really. There's plenty happening. MR2 convertible. Nice Ninja bike. Nice low Focus sitting there. Looking pretty good, nice and low. Obviously on air. Pretty much sitting on the skirts. Another Skyline. Nice purple colour. Pretty good turnout so far. Started at 6, it's about 7 o'clock now. That's clear. BM. Nice GTI. Lot of wheels. Audi, Fiestas, Polos, GTD, Golfs. Yeah, that's pretty loud. blasting our ears off. Little Lupo. Definitely starting to liven up a bit. It's back end of that really nice purple Fiesta Focus. Don't see many of them now. Big old turbo. Wide HPM. Quite a few cars just parked up in the car park. Running out of space on the main front. The same cube, pink wheel trim. $205. Very coupe. Don't see too many of them on the road now. So we've got Mr. Policeman taking down everyone's number plate on the modified cars. Not sure what he's going to do.